Tired of waiting for the cable guy to show up? In this year, you are the technician. Verizon 5G home internet is designed to be live in minutes, but if you just plug it in anywhere, you are leaving speed on the table. And today, I'm showing you the compass method to find your home's peak signal and get your Wi-Fi screaming in under 2 minutes. And first, don't just plug it behind your TV. Open My Verizon app on your phone. Then, use the 5G signal compass. Your phone will use AR to show you exactly where the nearest 5G tower is located. Take your gateway to a window facing that direction. Keep it elevated, don't hide it in a cabinet. Our signals in this year are fast, but they hate concrete walls. And now we can finally go live. Plug in the power and wait. The light will blink blue while it researches. Once it turns solid white, scan the QR code on the bottom of the device with your phone. This will launch the auto activation. Also, if the app asks to optimize, just let it run. It will automatically switch between mmWave and C-band to find the lowest latency for your specific location. And then you just name your Wi-Fi, set your password, and you're good to go. Your home is now a 5G powerhouse. If this Verizon guide helped you cut the cord today, make sure to like and subscribe.